Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala states in the 42nd verse of Surah Al-Baqarah, وَلَا تَلْبِسُوا الْحَقَّ بِالْبَاطِلِ وَتَكْتُمُوا الْحَقَّ وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. And do not confound the truth with falsehood, and conceal not the truth knowingly. Now, Ilama Qurtubi states that the exegesis by Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala of in regards to the confounding of the truth is that the Jews at the time of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, as we also discussed in the previous lectures, the Jews at the time of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, they used to conceal the truth. They used to hide knowingly the prophethood of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The scholars of the Jews, they knew that in their books, the Prophet, the arrival of the Prophet, which was mentioned, was of the noble messenger, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But due to their ill gains and due to their material gains, those Jews, they concealed the truth knowingly. They knew that what they were doing was not the right course of action, yet they hid the truth from their public, that the arrival of the Prophet, which was to and which was mentioned in their sacred books, was actually of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So this is the gist of it, that in the blessed Torah as well, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him's arrival was mentioned, yet the scholars of the Jews, they knowingly and intentionally, deliberately, they hid it, they concealed it from their people. They did not tell them about the reality that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is the true Prophet of Allah, the beloved of Allah, and they hid this truth. And therefore, it from this verse of the Holy Quran, the scholars, by delivering the exegesis of this verse, the scholars have concluded and derived from this blessed verse that it is obligatory upon the learned person, the scholars, that he states and expresses what is the right thing to do, that he says the truth, does not hide it, that he says and he engages with haqq, what is the right thing. And it is impermissible for the scholar to hide what is the right thing, to hide the truth, to conceal the truth. As at another instance, it has been recorded in Surah Al-Baqarah, which means that the person who conceals the truth and the right thing, the haqq, he is cursed. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala states that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that the person who is inquired about the knowledge of something and he conceals it deliberately, at the day of judgment, that person will be made to wear the reins of fire.